Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to play Fortnite on iPhone or iPad. So the best way to do this is by opening up this Chrome browser. And now on the Chrome browser, you come over here and tap on these three icons and then open up a new tab. So once you open up a new tab, come to the search bar over here and then search for GE. It's called GeForce Go. Okay, search for GeForce Go and then run the search. And then once you run the search, open up this first website over here, which shows the Nvidia generation or the Nvidia website. So open it. And then once you open it, you'll need to first come and sign up for this website. It's called the GeForce Go. So this website, those who don't know this website, it's a cloud gaming website whereby you can play a lot of games online without downloading them. So quickly just tap on this join now icon over here and then join the website. But point to note is that once you join on this website, you'll need to first pay some money in order to get a membership fee. Alright, so this means you'll have to pay some money in order to become a member. So that depends on the package you want, but once you become a member, you can play a lot of games, including Fortnite, including Roblox, and so many more games. Basically, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet.